Hello everyone, I am Professor Shamal Patil. Today we are going to discuss about what are the differences between cost and management accounting. Cost as well as management accounting is of recent origin. That is, both the systems have been developed to overcome from the limitations of financial accounting. Cost accounting and management accounting are two important branches of financial accounting, and both these branches assist the management in decision making process and to perform various functions of management. But still they differ on some important grounds. In today's class we are going to discuss about what are those important points of differences between cost and management accounting. The first point is scope. The scope of cost accounting is narrow as it does not include financial accounting, financial management, and it has nothing to do with the taxation. Hence, we can say that scope of cost accounting is limited only to the cost data, whereas the scope of management accounting is wide, as management accounting include all the aspects of business operations and it covers all the areas of a business organizations, and hence we can say that the scope of management accounting is wide. This point we have already discussed in one of our previous class in detail, that is scope of management accounting. Second points of difference is objectives. The primary objective of cost accounting is to ascertain cost of the product and service and to find out which all the techniques available to control the cost of product and service. Whereas the objective of management accounting is to provide all the accounting information needed by management for managerial decisions. Next points of difference is generation of data. Cost accounting generates data on its own by recording, classifying, and collecting cost incurred on production of a product, whereas management accounting does not generate data but they draws from financial and cost accounting. That is, financial statements prepared by financial accounting and cost sheets prepared by cost accounting will be used by management accounting as a data, and further they apply their various tools and techniques. Next points of difference is type of data. Cost accounting deals only with cost data. That is, it does not take into consideration non-cost items or non-cost data in the preparation of cost sheets, whereas management accounting deals with both cost as well as non-cost items. Next points of difference is function. The primary function of cost accounting is to assist management in short-term planning and decision making for improving efficiency of production department and controlling the cost of the product and services. Whereas the function of management accounting is to assist management in short-term as well as long-term planning and decision-making process for achieving the objectives of organization, and hence we can say that management accounting is one of the important tool of management which help them in providing systematic information for their decision making process. Next points of difference is time focus. Cost accounting focus is on present and future planning on the basis of past information. That is, they collect the past information and based upon past information they forecast the future and they decide strategies for the present. Whereas focus of management accounting is only on future planning on the basis of past and present information. The next points of difference is users of information. The information provided by the cost accounting is used by both internal as well as external parties, whereas the information provided by the management accounting is used for only internal purpose. That is, this information is used by only management of the organization and not by any other stakeholders of the organization. Next points of difference is principles. Cost accounting applies certain principles and procedures for recording of cost and to find out different cost of the products, whereas in management accounting no such principles and procedures are followed in reporting the information to the management. And the last points of difference is installation. Cost accounting can be installed without management accounting, but management accounting cannot be installed without cost and financial accounting. Therefore, management accounting is completely based on financial accounting as well as cost accounting, and hence financial accounting is considered as the base of management accounting, whereas cost accounting is considered as the backbone of management accounting. I hope you have cleared with the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. In our previous class, we have discussed about the differences between financial accounting and management accounting. In our next class, we are going to discuss about what are the steps management need to take for installing management accounting in the organization. Thank you.